Changing the date of your EasyJet flight is straightforward with the right steps. Start by logging into the EasyJet website or app using your booking reference and associated last name. Navigate to the Manage Bookings section to access all the details of your current booking. Here, you can view and adjust your travel details as needed. Select the specific flight you want to change. EasyJet permits modifications to flight dates and times, according to your ticket's fare rules. Search for new available flights on your desired date. The system will show available options and any associated costs, such as fare differences or change fees. Before you proceed, carefully review any additional costs involved. These might include a change fee and the difference in fare between your original and new flight. Once you've chosen a new flight and reviewed all associated costs, confirm your changes. Complete the process by making any necessary payments. After finalizing the changes, you'll receive a confirmation email with your updated booking details, ensuring you're all set with your new itinerary. Consider changing your flight as early as possible to minimize fees and fare differences, as they tend to increase closer to the departure date. For future travel, you may want to purchase flexible tickets to reduce change fees. If you run into any issues, EasyJet's customer service is available to help with complex adjustments or unresolved issues. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.